Happy birthday to you.
Hi! Today, hi! It's my pre-birthday celebration at Clark Renaissance. We're going to...
Renaissance!
O yan, dito na pala sila. Kanina pa sila lagad tayo. See you there!
Saka daw punta doy.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Wow.
Gastos.
Sino magastos?
Si Tito Rami.
Ay, aray ko, aray.
Sino daw may birthday?
Ako.
Kailan may birthday mo?
July 23.
23. Ano?
Yung car cake.
3 ano?
3,000. Ano kaya?
Ang gaspang na mukha ko.
Nakapamahay tayo, yan lang.
So now, we just got here at Renaissance.
Entrance is 350, unlimited Samji at saka free pool. 3 feet is free, for free. And yun, andito kami for Rami's birthday celebration. Pre-birthday celebration.
Thank you for coming.
So right now, I'm gonna teach you how to cook Samji Gudo style. Picture. Ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Kamali ka, manulog si Mami.
Hindi kayo manulunod sa
Ay, kay Mami pa kumapit.
lulutan si mami mo.
Oy, Mama Lan, give it to me now. La 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 la.
Give it to you now. 눈빛 쏟아지는 날. touch. 하나뿐인 말. La 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 my lover. 내 머리부터
Happy birthday to you. Bottoms up mo yan. Birthday mo. Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bes!